Good morning, student. I am Chirag Sukhani from Rafael BBA College Vapi, and I am going to teach you elements of strategic management subject. And we will continue our first chapter that is conceptual framework of strategic management. In that we have to learn part B, that is strategic management. And in strategic management topic, we will mainly cover in this session we mainly cover meaning and definition of strategic management. So first of all, what is strategic management? So strategic management is nothing but strategic management is a process which denote that it has various activity and these activities must be performed in a sequential manner. Now sequential manner means what? It must be performed in a step-by-step manner. Now various activity like establishing strategic intent, then strategy formulation. Now strategy formulation, it include environmental analysis, organizational analysis, identification of alternative strategy, and then choice of strategy. Now after strategy formulation, there is strategy implementation and then strategic evaluation and control. So the various activities like establishing strategic intent, strategy formulation, strategy implementation, strategic evaluation and control it must be performed in a sequential manner or step-by-step manner. This is what strategic management. So strategic management is nothing but it is a process, and this process denote various activity, and this activity must be performed in a step-by-step or in a sequential manner. Now next is definition of strategic management. Now definition given by Pearce and Robinson. So according to Pearce and Robinson, what is strategic management? Strategic management is defined as set of decisions and action in formulating and implementation of strategies which is designed to achieve objectives of the organization. So this definition mainly emphasizes on two major aspects. First aspect, the strategy formulation and its implementation. Now what is strategy formulation and implementation? Strategy formulation, it include environmental analysis, organizational analysis, then identification of strategic alternative, and then we have to choose best strategy. That is what strategy formulation. And implementation means what? Chosen strategy should be put into action. So first aspect is strategy formulation and its implementation. And second aspect, strategy formulation and implementation aspects are oriented towards achieving organizational objective. That means identification of strategy and choice of strategy, and chosen strategy should be put into action. So these aspects are oriented towards achieving organizational objective. So according to Pearce and Robinson, strategic management is what? It is defined as set of decisions and actions in formulating and implementation of strategy which is designed to achieve objectives of the organization. Clear? Now general definition. So general definition says that strategic management is a continuous process of relating the organization with its environment by suitable courses of action involving strategy formulation and ensuring that strategy has been implemented effectively. So according to this definition, strategic management deals with various aspects. First aspect, strategic management is a continuous process of relating the organization with its environment, because we all know that environment is dynamic or changing and organization always operate within the environment. That is why there is a need to relate organizational activity with the environment. Clear? So first is what? It is a continuous process of relating the organization with its environment. Next is strategy formulation. Now strategy formulation means what? Formulate suitable strategy in order to maintain this relationship. That is relationship is what? Organization with its environment, because organization operate within the environment and environmental factors always affect working of the organization. So whenever organization formulate the strategy, keep in mind the relationship of organization activity with its environment. Then after implementation of strategy. Implementation is what? Chosen strategy should be put into action. Therefore, result can be obtained. And last, through control, it ensures that strategies are implemented properly, which produces a result as intended or we desire. So, this definition is mainly contain steps of the steps of the strategic management process. That is continuous process of relating the organization with the environment. And then involving strategy formulation and then implementation, and lastly through control ensure that कि जो भी strategies implement किया वो implementation properly हुआ है, which produce certain result what the manager desire, what the manager intended. This is what general definition. Now based on the definition, certain features of the strategic management can be found out. So first feature, strategic management is a process, that is it is a continuous process for achieving certain objectives of the organization. So strategic management is what? It is a continuous process of achieving certain objectives of the organization. That is how we can say strategic management is a process. Second, the focus of strategic management is on relating the organization to its external environment. That is, there is a continuous interaction between organization and its external environment, because we all know that the environment is dynamic and changing, as well as environmental factors always affect working of the organization. Thus, there is a need to continuously relate organizational activity with the external factors. And external factors क्या है? We all know that is society's need and expectation, government policies, political factors, economical factors, technological factors, and so on. So second feature is what? The main focus of strategic management is relating the organizational activity with the external factors, because organization environment में ऑपरेट होता है और environmental के factors organizational activities को affect करते हैं. That is why relating organizational activity with the external environment. And third features, strategic management is basically top management function. Now that is formulation and implementation of strategy is a functions of top management of the organization. And strategies को formulate करना, implementation करना, it is done by top management of the organization. So these are the features which identified based on definition of strategic management. Clear? So in next session we will learn about the process of strategic management. Okay, bye. Thank you.